These 6 bad habits are holding you back. Stop doing these 6 things right now and start having a better life immediately. Replace your bad habits with these good ones. Bad habit number 1, hanging around negative people. Instead, seek out positive, motivated people who have a good direction in life. Bad habit number 2, lack of exercise. Begin with doing simple exercise routines so you don't get frustrated. Taking a brisk walk can be a good start. Bad habit number 3, dwelling on the past. Instead, be grateful for what you have now in the present and make written plans for improvement in areas of your life that need it. Bad habit number 4, always on your phone. Pay attention to the people you are with. Engage in conversations without distractions. Turn off your ringer. Ignore incoming messages while speaking with others. Bad habit number 5, having a poor diet. Make healthier choices. Give yourself better fuel to run on. Eat less junk. Eat more good stuff. It's been said that you are what you eat. Bad habit number 6, staying up too late. Go to bed earlier. Stop wasting time at night. Get more restful sleep. Feel refreshed and more alive. No matter what goals you set or what dreams you have, nothing will really change until you first change yourself. Work on developing those good habits and you'll see your life begin to improve immediately. If you get value from my videos, please give them a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell icon to be notified each time I release a new video. I look forward to seeing you on my other videos soon.